guys, what's up? My name is Rose. I'm with Rose Levesque Pottery. If you guys haven't yet, I am going to be posting new videos every Thursday. So my plan is to have something new for you. I usually will be doing like a series of something or just whatever we think of that day. But if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe and like button so that I know that you guys are watching this and I see that you guys are liking it and want more videos. So please do that for me. Thanks, you guys. You guys are awesome. Okay, so today we are trimming pots. I am doing a series of how to do a crystalline pot. So right now we had the last video. If you haven't watched it yet, the link is down in the comments. The link is down below, so go ahead and check that one out. So that was how to throw the mini pot or mini urn, because that's what I made. I made mini urns. And then today we're going to trim that urn, and it's about 3 inches. We're going to just trim it really fast. It's super simple. So we're going to trim the pot itself and its lid. So yeah. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Just let me know if you guys are liking these videos. All right, enjoy. Bye. that one. The next part is the lid. And I usually take trimmings from trimming the pot, and that's what I use to center these. So I'll center it with the Giffen grip just so that I'm in the right position. I'll just kind of ball these up, add them. These are so little that I didn't get a lot of trimming, so we'll see how this goes. And I already threw these very, very thin. I didn't want them thick, and they're already so little that it's really pretty easy to throw them pretty thin. But we're gonna make it work. So I'm just creating this teeny tiny little, just like little snake piece of clay that I can attach, just so I get those 3 points. And then I'm gonna take that away. So then it's all centered, and when I trim it, it's not gonna fly off. We hope. All right, and this is just a little lid for this guy, so he will just sit right there, just like that. And I like to make them very, very flat. It's just supposed to be a little urn lid, so it's nothing too crazy, because that's just going to get sealed onto it anyways when you take this to the funeral home or the urn cremation center. They seal that on for you. So it should just be like a little lidded jar. When you take this to the cremation center or the funeral home, they have a sealant that goes around this, and they'll put the ashes in, and then this is sealed forever. So it's really important to get a good locking lid. These ones work just perfectly, so they're just beautiful little pieces of art. And now that it is trimmed, the next step is the crystalline glaze. So stay tuned for my next video.